It's 11:30 p.m., and the kitchen is quiet. You grab a small snack, assuming that as long as the numbers fit your daily calorie goal, your body won't know the difference. But human metabolism is governed by a rigorous internal schedule. It processes nutrients based on the time of day, not just the volume of the intake. Consuming food when your body expects rest triggers a physical separation of the cells in your intestinal wall. This is the circadian trap, a moment where routine digestion causes a structural failure in the gut. When these cellular gaps widen, the barrier that normally keeps waste contained becomes porous, allowing toxins to move directly into your circulation. Late-night eating overrides the body's defensive boundary. To fix it, we have to look at the specific microscopic machinery of the circadian leaky gut. Your gut lining is a single layer of epithelial cells. It is the only thing standing between your bloodstream and the trillions of bacteria living in your digestive tract. This wall is held together by protein complexes called tight junctions, specifically occludin and zonula. These act as the structural anchors for the entire barrier. During daylight hours, your peripheral circadian clocks keep these anchors reinforced. This allows you to break down food while the wall remains impermeable to pathogens. At night, the gut shifts into a state of defensive repair. Your internal clocks signal the tight junctions to seal the wall completely, preventing any leakage while the tissue regenerates. Introducing food during this dark phase creates a biological conflict. The demand for digestion forces these anchors to dissolve prematurely, leaving the intestinal wall full of physical gaps. By eating against your clock, you trigger the dismantling of your own primary defense, exposing your internal organs to the contents of your digestive system. Once that barrier is breached, the question is, what exactly is crossing over into your blood? Within your gut are billions of dead bacterial cell walls, known as lipopolysaccharides, or LPS. In a healthy gut, they are excreted as waste. In a breached gut, they slip through the gaps and enter your systemic circulation. This movement of toxins into the blood is medically classified as metabolic endotoxemia. Your immune system detects these LPS particles and reacts as if you are experiencing a severe bacterial infection. It goes into an immediate state of high alert. This triggers a wave of inflammatory cytokines that interfere with your insulin receptors. When your cells stop responding to insulin, your blood sugar stays high, and your body is signaled to store energy as fat rather than burning it for fuel. That midnight snack does more than just add calories. It places your immune system and your metabolism in a state of direct conflict. You can repair this damage. The Circadian Barrier Protocol is a 3-step method to reseal the gut and realign your metabolic timing. Step 1 is the 3-hour hard stop. You finish your last meal at least 3 hours before you sleep. This ensures your stomach is empty before the repair cycle begins. This gap allows the tight junctions to reach their maximum defensive state without being interrupted by the mechanical demands of digestion. Step 2 is leverage the dark wall. By dimming your lights in the evening, you encourage the production of local melatonin within the gut tissue itself. This isn't for sleep, it's a chemical shield. This local melatonin acts as an antioxidant that protects the intestinal lining from oxidative damage during the night. Step 3, first light fuel. Break your fast the next morning with complex fibers or polyphenols. These provide the specific energy needed by microbes like Akkermansia. These specialized bacteria spend the day fissioning the protective mucosal layer, structurally patching the barrier and preparing it for the next cycle. Your metabolism relies on the precision of a biological schedule. It is a system built on timing. When you respect your internal clock, you stop systemic inflammation at its source and allow your gut to function as a secure barrier. Support your circadian rhythm to protect your metabolic health. If you're ready for more research-backed longevity science, hit the like button and subscribe. Build a better barrier. We'll see you in the next one.